Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I am here with our DigitalHeat FX system today. Now the thing that I love about these printers is that the transfers can go on almost any material. Cotton, polyesters, blends, and denim. So what we're going to be showing you today is putting one of those DigitalHeat FX transfers on a jean jacket. The first step is to print out our design, and we're using the DigitalHeat FX 8432 system for this project today. Next, we want to add our adhesive sheet. So we call this the B sheet of our Easy Peel two-step paper, and we're going to press the printed transfer in the sheet together using heat and pressure. And what's going to happen is that adhesive polymer is just going to transfer onto our toner. So this is what makes this system a no weeding, no cutting system. If you look closely, you can see that the polymer just adhered to our design. So there's not going to be any big box around our design or anything like that. Next, I'm going to cut my designs apart because we were able to fit 2 transfers on one sheet. Now let's get our heat press ready. So first, I'm going to lay a heat-resistant pad down, and I'm going to put my jean jacket on top of this. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making sure that the seams are out of the way. The DigitalHeat FX system transfers really need even pressure to work well. So this heat-resistant pad is going to push our surface up and raise it above those seams. Now I can grab my transfer, I can line it up and put it on my jacket back. Then I'm going to put a regular finishing sheet on top and I'll press. Now you can find all the detailed pressing instructions in the box with the transfer paper, but this next step is a cold peel. So I want to remove this off my heat press, and then I will swiftly remove the carrier sheet, and you'll see my transfer's a little bit shiny. So we're going to give our jacket one final press. I'll lay it back on the lower platen, and I am still using the heat-resistant pad to keep our surface nice and raised up. And I'm also going to use the flexible finishing sheet for this step. So you'll see here, this is a silicone sheet, and it has a textured feel to it. It's really going to push the toner down into the fibers of the denim. The flexible finishing sheet does carry a little bit of heat, so after pressing, you'll want to let it cool off for just a couple seconds before removing it. But then after this, your custom jean jacket is complete and ready to be sold. Now before we wrap up this video, I do want to go over the products just one more time that we used here today. So first we have the Authority Denim Jacket, and just keep in mind this is a ladies fitted style jacket. Next we have our Easy Peel two-step paper, and we used the 11x17, so we were able to fit 2 of our transfers on here. We also used the flexible finishing sheet for our finishing step, and it has that textured feel to it that gave our transfer a nice matte finish and really made it blend into that denim jacket. Then we also used a heat-resistant pad to help elevate the jacket surface. Now you can find all the products here on ColemanandCompany.com, but if you want to learn more about making custom jean jackets, t-shirts, and other custom products with the DigitalHeat FX system, you can visit DigitalHeatFX.com and live chat with one of our pros.